Is your PS3 randomly shutting down in the middle of gaming? Don't worry, you can fix this without replacing your console. Welcome to TechVibes. Let's quickly get your PS3 running smoothly again. This usually happens due to overheating, power issues, dust buildup, or failing internal components. When your PS3 gets too hot or unstable, it shuts down automatically to protect itself. The good news is most of these problems are fixable. Step 1. Clean dust and improve airflow. Dust is the #1 reason for sudden shutdowns. Turn off your PS3 and unplug it. Use compressed air to clean the vents and fan area. Place your console in an open space. Avoid keeping it inside cabinets or near walls. Better airflow can instantly stop shutdown issues. Step 2. Check overheating and thermal protection. If your PS3 feels very hot before shutting down, overheating is the cause. Let it cool down completely before turning it back on. Avoid long gaming sessions for now. If possible, use an external cooling fan. This helps reduce internal temperature quickly. Step 3. Inspect power cable and connection. A loose or faulty power cable can cause random shutdowns. Unplug and firmly reconnect the power cable. Try a different power outlet. If you have another compatible cable, test with that. Stable power is critical for consistent performance. Step 4. Rebuild database to fix system errors. Sometimes corrupted system files can trigger shutdowns. Start your PS3 in safe mode. Select the Rebuild Database option. This process cleans up system errors without deleting your data. It can significantly improve stability. Step 5. Check hard drive health. A failing hard drive can crash your system. If your PS3 freezes before shutting down, this might be the issue. Remove and reseat the hard drive properly. If problems continue, consider replacing it with a new one. This can bring your console back to life. Step 6. Update system software. Outdated software can cause bugs and crashes. Make sure your PS3 is running the latest version. Updates often fix stability and performance issues. Step 7. Replace thermal paste if needed. If your PS3 is older, the thermal paste inside may be dried out. This causes overheating even after cleaning. Replacing thermal paste can reduce temperature significantly. If you are not comfortable doing it, get help from a technician. Pro tip: avoid placing your PS3 on carpets or soft surfaces. These block airflow and trap heat. Always keep it on a flat, hard surface for proper cooling. If you still face any issue, drop a comment below and I will reply within 1 hour to help you out. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes for more quick fixes. You've got this. Your PS3 will be back in action in no time.